people down in Niagara and Lake, Ontario, Franco. They're French Bartlett pears. I bought a master off them. That's 6 3-liter baskets, and they're just beautiful pears. We're going to be raw packing today. Raw packing is the easiest one to process this, so stay tuned, and let's show you how you skin them out. And remember, pears are slippery little suckers. Riley does all the packing. I have my son, who's hands-on with me when I'm doing these things. I want him to learn because I'm not going to be around forever in the world, you know what I mean? So, and then also the videos he has to fall back on it for legacy. Stay tuned. We're going to get right doing some slippery pears. So what you do is you remove that. Oops, that one bounced. Then what we do is we go and we skin them like this. Get all the skins off. And they are slippery, as you can see. They're very slippery. Take this off, like so. We got a lot. I've already done 9 liters today, so we got a lot in the bucket there. Remember, lemon juice is going to be your best friend on this one, folks. It will keep your pears from oxidizing. So, let's do the carving part. This is pretty simple, and once you've done about 3 or 4 pounds, you're an expert at doing this. Trust me. Done. Got a little bit on the end there. Done. Done. Throw it in there. Here, we'll do the other one. Cut. Cut. A little bit on the end. A little bit of skin won't hurt you anyway. That's how we core them and skin them. Okay, so we take our jars, we heat them up in the oven to 180 degrees. Prepper Jr.'s going to get a jar now. He's going to place it over here. And he's going to close the oven door. Like I said, folks, I like to have my son doing this hands-on so he knows how to do all of this. There we go. Now he's going to show you how he packs them. Put the cord side down. As you can see here,
I'm going to flip
you don't want them up like that, and you got to stack them in there nicely. And he'll flip it. He's actually gotten pretty good at it. He did 5 liters last night, so. Keep doing that. Okay, now that he has that packed, he'll put it over to here, where I take over and fill him up with the hot syrup. And then he starts working on this next jar over in this area here. So now we'll do the hot syrup. So now what I'll do is I'll put the hot syrup in here. I have a medium syrup. I do it 50-50. It's just the way that you like them. Most of the stuff that you buy in the stores will be heavy syrup in some of them. Some of them they say that you can get light syrup. What we'll do now is put these in here, and then we'll poke them down to get the air out, and then they'll go in the hot canner. I use my ladle and I get the air out. If you want any air in here, see it coming out? Here's your enemy. It's just like when you're making wine, air is your enemy. And by doing this, lets all the air get up. There we go. Then what I do is sometimes I'll just do a little bit of like moving them around. See that air come up? You can see it come up there. I'll do something like this, and it seems to work. I don't know why, but it does. And then what I'll do is I'll open it up, and most of the time that this stuff has gone down. So now that I've gotten the air out of here, what happens usually, you want to leave an inch of headspace. So now I've gotten that out of the way. Once the air's out, it does drop, so then you can top it up a little bit more. Remember, you will get, it happens all the time, you'll get fruit float where it'll separate down here. That's okay. It won't hurt, as long as they all seal. So we got all the moisture out of it, the air. Now we just put that on. Don't put over tight in these. You do, they'll buckle. Okay, so here's the first one going in. We'll put the first one, now it goes in the canner. It will be in here 25 minutes due to my elevation. And then after that, we'll put them out, and then we'll put them on the table and they seal out. Everybody, thanks for watching. I'll put the charts in the video itself so you can go back to them. Thanks for watching. Have a safe weekend. Terra Prepper out.